Kaseng samla bat seng kentai jong ke Meghalaya Congress kala pelong ya kajing lang ha kakatsan tarik urisau arjar pesan ban penpau ya kajing persya ya ka Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sang ban penranjur ya kajing kenok ki bashir kai shapang kajing sya pen khenput ba kajing penya penmong ya ki kentai kapla yo jing tip na ki badan penta ba ki dekot jong ka RSS kajing lang kalong rukum ka jubab halor kajing klat jong samla Anandu Ajina Kottayam ha kani kajing lang balaya lam do Timjin Mumin President ka Meghalaya Youth Congress ringkat utar General Secretary ke Indian Youth Congress baka Kong Joblin Shila President ke Meghalaya Mahila Congress ke Meghalaya Youth Congress kala penram jur ya ke RSS baya ki jing kenok ki bedang mi syapang ka jing sya ali ben ki kentai ka balaya dei ba ki dekot jongkang ka parti kala dawaru badai bandan ka jing tokit ka balat lut bat ban penram ya ki tu baro ki badan keti klam dapat parti ne kenhun kani ka jing lang ka dei shi benta jong ka jing trai ka bakrau jong ka Indian National Congress ban penne ya ka hok ka buram ba ka jing em basngan jong baro khantam ki samla ba ki kentai hakari India
Kasih mentasi ini nak kalian juga Indian Youth Meghalaya Youth Congress ringkat ki Mahila ringkat ki nong tray juga MPC Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress nimi Shikman wan persya ye kini kecing le thombor kecing sya le sexual abuse ke biong sya wadbor wei ukna samla badakar sur dream senam karta utai Kerala Udai wave na udai IT professional ngiong tray po software engineer tray lo sya le donbor kapor habubun ki manlat kapor tray ai pengisiam kelong haka last message ke po bomba ula sya asol haka tu beli ula jer keteng ru katu beli ngut tiba idei banding bat RSS tenelor kata kumbiong ba RSS ke Ukraine na kapor si kapor ba kaya site nam tak culture cegeri India kaya site nam tak discipline ndrai pause kani ke kentim tangi i penban ikam caklia ikam jabo wat iku senrang brew kila le kini ikam kemakor kam pojat tengi yang ni bang idon kata cingrusi rengida pat musim ngida lengo kudu kata kata kum kani ke cacingja hampor ba jam tak caca nakaliang cung ni samla pula ele pen komplain sikibor bahlor rega cingkeli golong balai undon basim action ni kata balai undon bat sim action namar kadau bro golong kadai badon ke cingyedai hapdeng kar RSS bat kibor bahlor hamtam bat ke BJP tekumta nakaliang cung Meghalaya Youth Congress ringkat ke Congress Party broke away ni mi sikman bandiman na government kinsim ye kata ke cinggekli ba uniu samla yo cimbishar hok bat kumjuru panang ni sikman bakanu no kam sniu kam nomcia kam tam kani ka kenti bomta ni baga BJP bat karas ki kren sipang culture kren break penban kita ki wei ki bakuduk ki kita kinong le kam sniu tesaga weiru kumban pencukan ma ni kapor ba umdon manu halor congkaan la pidai kanu ke organization la pidai kanu political party kaan kadi bah halor cungi baro kumta agni kapor ni diman ba uni usamla arpri usnem karta cung dai ban he bansan ka future cung kadang bun ni don kam ya tak hok ban yo 6 tahun ni usamla today shibu
Today with the Congress family including the Youth Congress, Mahila Congress and the Central Congress family we have joined together to protest against the incident that recently happened with the IT professional Anandu Aji the RSS which was he was a member of the RSS family during his childhood and he got assaulted multiple times sexually and after he got multiple times assaulted he committed suicide. So we want justice for the family and the victim of Anandu Aji and we also protest against the RSS and the BJP who has the strength and who follows the ideology of RSS. So we need protection against the children, the mahilas, and human dignity we deserve, and we need justice against the inhuman act that happens recently in Kerala. Thank you.
Along with the president of the youth, Kim Kim, I agree with all he's saying. The centre must give justice to what's happened to Anandu Aji and we demand that. And for all the crimes, not only in Kerala, we need the crimes to be sought out, and crimes that has happened in Meghalaya, for the children that has died in been murdered, we need justice for them too. Thank you.
Kejui kalau komisi cin kata kejing bala wani ba jenis hati tanah man. Dengi dua ni nak minta kalian hak state dengi dulu. Bagi nak kuat cakap kumla tren nak kalian presiden untuk Mahila Kongres. Nak kuat cakap kumkini jinja. Om tang Karnataka le Brockway India wat nak state dikasih jungi hidup Brockway. Nak kira kias ki peladap kan ni gereja kejing syabat kuat kejing syak peniap. Jungi kenarin kejing pamsikan syur. Kemlang kasalang hang negeri Brockway hi jungi dulu. Di kepan bat ni pensyai ru ba dibuat bahalua dibuat jangkaan bat nakaliang jong keserkar hamtam kumkiri menginong nakaliang kani ka jingle na hambor jong ni RSS di Karnataka yitai khna ndrai kadai kejing snokti langpat ngano pi ba po ate kadai hi keseng RSS ka bami ka benekti lang kemudian benta lang hi kum wei snok hiru bat kedup hiru dak parti BJP hi ka penia ya kini India hi brokoi kumtang ikan scam banani semat kemudian syukai ke iru kejing snil kejing bah sudah keluar lembah kejing tray hok kejing tray bah hi brokoi hi kenya gedenti hi namanta kejing scam hi kumta polis buat
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.